Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a RAM 2500 battery. First, prioritize your safety by wearing appropriate gear like safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your truck's engine is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Then, locate the battery, usually under the hood, and identify the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Using a 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Once loose, carefully remove the negative cable and tuck it away so it cannot accidentally touch the battery or any metal parts. Next, loosen and remove the positive cable. Finally, remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. A mixture of baking soda and water works well to neutralize any corrosion. Place the new battery securely into the clean tray. Now, connect the positive cable first, tightening the clamp firmly. Then, connect the negative cable last, making sure it's snug and secure. With the new battery installed, double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Applying anti-corrosion grease to the terminals will help prevent future buildup. Now, start your engine to confirm the new battery is working correctly. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly. Many auto parts stores or recycling centers accept them for proper recycling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.